Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin and today we're going to be opening my Allure box for the month of September. Now Allure is a beauty subscription that costs $23 a month and it normally has 5 to 7 items in it, 3 which are promised to be full size. If you like makeup or beauty subscriptions, go ahead and like and subscribe to his channel for easier access to more videos like this. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the box. And opening up, this is first impressions. And we always have a little magazine in here which tells us a little bit about the products and why they were chosen for the box from each person who chose to put it in here, because they get together in like a group and decide what they're going to put inside of the box. First thing we're pulling out, it looks like a liquid lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And it looks like the shade's called Trust Issues. Oh, it looks like a perfect color for fall, right up my alley. From the outside of the box, it looks almost like a burgundy color, but let's get out and see. Okay, that is really pretty and definitely perfect for fall. Okay, and then I'm going to get a quick swatch of this just to see what it looks like. Whoa. That is daring. I love it. Very pretty and very in season for fall. Definitely looks like a fall lip color if you ask me. And I'm really excited to try this out. Let's see how much this one is valued for. This is valued at $20 for this. So the box is already almost paid for. So that's awesome. Next up looks like from a company called Sunday Riley, which I have not heard of them before. It's a light-hearted, broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. Well, at the very least, I know I'm stocked up on sunscreen for a while because I feel like I've gotten quite a few this summer season, but that's okay because you can never have too many sunscreens. Oh, and it's a small one too, so it's perfect for travel if you want to take it with you. So this product helps prevent sun damage, premature skin aging, including lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. It's zinc oxide, turmeric, and blue light defense. And it is sealed, and it probably just smells like sunscreen. I'm just going to go ahead and keep that sealed because I have a couple open right now, and I don't want to open them all at once. That might allow any kind of bacteria or anything to start getting in there. But it's something that we all need, so, and we might not necessarily go purchase ourselves or normally use, but it's something we should be using, so it's good that they sent it. This is valued at $35 for this. Next up is from Allure, and it's a serum, and it says radically rejuvenating dual phase bicutual serum, I do believe. I do love the pink and white box, super cute. Okay, and it looks like a separate liquid and like an oil inside of there. See how it's separated from the top to the bottom? I do like that it is in a glass bottle. It makes me feel like it's worth money. It has like a floral scent to it. It's super light, almost feels like a really soft water on your skin. I know that sounds weird, but it's just so light. I think even my friend who thinks serums make her face oily could also use this because it's just such a light serum. So it's kind of cool. It seems like anybody could use this. Of course, unless you have some kind of allergic reaction or something. This is valued at $19.99, which is pretty awesome to me because most of the time the skincare products in the Allure box are like outrageously priced, and there's no way I could afford going out and purchasing it if I liked it. However, this, I could afford to pay $20 for a serum. So that's really cool that they decided to throw a couple affordable things in here as well. Next up is from Belief, which I have tried their eye balm before, and it is pretty good. So let's see here. This is the True Cream Aqua Balm, and increased hydration level, dermatologically tested for your face and for your neck. And this looks like a deluxe size sample to me, which is okay, and they do have several of inside of this Allure box. So the full size of this is $38. But this one, I do believe it is the, yes, but a little bit goes a long way with the eye cream, so I'm hoping the same with the face and neck cream. Oh yes, same thing again, a little bit does go a very long way. So even though this is a deluxe size sample, it is a generous amount for the product. So I do like the way that feels. Makes my skin feel very silky, not oily or greasy at all. I think I'm really going to enjoy this moisturizer. And next up we have from Alpha, and it's liquid gold with glycolic acid. Okay, I bet this is a full-size item, and this just sounds like it's worth money. It's got liquid gold in it. Oh, and look at the side of the box. It's definitely got the bling on there. Okay, and I like it. It's basic but elegant packaging. A silk matte container. I'm just going to read a little bit on the back and see what this is used for because I have no idea. It says it revitalizes and assists in firming skin in a single application through a multi-action formula of silk protein and licorice. Apply liquid gold onto cleansed skin each alternate evening. So every other day you're supposed to use this. Moisten cotton pad with solution and apply to face, neck. Okay, and then you're supposed to follow up with a moisturizer or a serum. So that's good to know that they let you know that, because I was also curious. Oh, that's interesting. So it has a top that you pull off, and then it has another, like a lift lid. And we also have a seal. So, geez, they go through all sorts of things to make sure nobody tampers with this stuff. It doesn't really have much of a scent to it, which I'm okay with. It almost looks like a toner. It doesn't really feel like anything on the skin. I bet this is a product you're going to have to use to really use maybe a few times to see results from it. But let's see how much that is valued at. Okay, and this is valued at $54. And last but not least, looks like we have some mineral bath salts in relaxing lavender, and it's from the Neat brand. Okay, cool. No animal testing, dermatologically tested and recommended. Contains plant-based functional ingredients. So that's all good to know. And I don't know. This is just a sample of it as well, but you can get a full-size container of this for $20. So since Allure does have a lot of deluxe size items in here, sometimes it's hard to come up with an exact value of the box. So I usually don't do that for this box. Let's see what 3 items I got full size. I think I got the sunscreen, the lip gloss, and the liquid gold, I do believe was my 3 full size items. Well, that's everything that I have for you today. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.